Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2019 Toyota Hilux dual cab, and I'm going to show you where the standard toolkit and jack is located, and I'll also go on to show you the jacking points for the vehicle. So we're just going to come over to the right hand rear passenger door just behind the driver's seat. We're going to go ahead and open that door fully. Then just looking inside the back, you'll notice I've already put up the rear seat on the left hand side. We're going to go ahead and do the same for the right hand side. So you notice down here is just a bit of material. Give that a pull, and then it's going to be hard to do this one-handed, but go ahead and break the poppers there, and we're just going to go ahead, tuck that through the headrest like so, and then we're just going to pop that together like that. And then taking a further look inside, you'll notice there's these two hatches and compartments, so good for storage and putting some ropes, maybe a snatch strap in. And then the one behind the driver's seat actually has our toolkit and jack as well. So take the toolkit out, and then we're going to go ahead and undo the jack. Once you've undone it enough, that allows you to actually take that out. So I'm just going to go ahead and open both of these up and show you what's inside. So we've got our wheel brace and lever there, which doubles up as the handle for the jack. We've got 3 extension bars here. 1, 2, 3, and then just got some other tools in there as well. We've got a 10mm and 8mm spanner, got a 12mm and 14mm spanner, some pliers, and an interchangeable screwdriver, so you can just pull that out. You've got a Phillips and flat screwdriver. So a handy little toolkit to know where it is, and it might get you out of trouble. So I'll show you the jack out on the floor. So like I say, there's multiple components to this jack. So you've got the hook, which is going to go through there like that, and then you've got a couple of extension bars that just clip on here. And then you'll notice there's actually a square in this, and I'll set this up just to show you how it works. Okay, we now have the jack and the extension bars all assembled, and we've actually got the jack on our front jacking point, which is not far behind the front wheel, and you'll actually see an indent on the beam. So I'll just set the camera up and show you how it operates. Making sure the handbrake's on and the vehicle's in park or in gear, then go ahead and start jacking. And for the rear jacking point, we're actually going to put the jack in from the back of the vehicle, making sure we keep away from the exhaust if it's hot. And we're going to go ahead and actually put the ridge of the jack onto the axle housing like that. So there we go, that's the standard toolkit and the jacking points for a 2019 Toyota Hilux. This is the dual cab model. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.